Our brains and internal organs are all supported by the skeleton, our bones. If any bone is lost through disease or injury, it must be replaced with a bone graft. This new type of synthetic bone graft, a world first, is grown by the patient's body itself. It was developed by this Tokyo medical technology company. The inventor, Shigeki Suzuki, was motivated by the suffering of someone close to him. My friend's 2-year-old daughter developed a cancer that required her upper jaw to be removed. This tragedy made me determined to find a better way to treat such diseases. Because this patient was so young, just 2 years old, a conventional titanium graft would need replacing many times as she grew. As Suzuki grappled with the problem, he started focusing on the mechanism behind bone regeneration. Just like skin and hair, our bones are continually being renewed. This is what it looks like inside a bone at the cellular level. Certain cells are constantly at work destroying old bone. Different cells follow in their path to build new replacement bone. Suzuki developed a special form of calcium to produce synthetic bone with a composition very similar to natural bone. The body thinks the graft is part of itself. This fools it into starting the regeneration process and creating natural bone on top of the graft. As time passes, the body grows new bone to replace the revolutionary synthetic graft. In this example, a patient lost one side of their jaw, leaving an unbalanced face. A synthetic graft was implanted. The body began regenerating its lost bone tissue, and 1 year later, virtually all the patient's jaw was natural bone again. Produced using a 3D printer, these are the world's first synthetic grafts that grow into natural bone. A CT scanner is used to measure the patient's bones with 0.1 mm accuracy, ensuring the synthetic graft will be an exact match. Holes for bone marrow to pass are also reproduced to encourage the natural growth process. Dr. Tsuyoshi Takato is a specialist in reconstructive surgery. He took part in the development of the new technology. The 3D printer produces such a precise fit that we can attach the graft using just 2 stitches. That makes the whole process very swift to perform. But what patients like best about it is that when it's finished, their body will look exactly as it did before. Regenerating bones to order. This new technology is already helping patients in hospitals all over Japan.